Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kimberly. I forgot how to do my intro. It's not like I do an exciting intro anyway. So I wanted to do like a Vlogmas thing this year, but I never get to because I work a lot and you have to post every day for Vlogmas. So I was like, oh, this year I'll pre-film and that means that I'll have all the videos. No, because then I didn't edit the videos. So here's like a video I filmed for Vlogmas that is now like 3 weeks late and I'm just now filming the intro, but we're doing this DIY home thing. So the reason why I did it like this instead of attaching it to a wood plank like you may have seen in some Pinterest posts is that I wanted this to be interchangeable. So when Christmas is over, I still want this home sign here, and we'll just change this out. Maybe do like a snowflake until winter's over, maybe do a heart for Valentine's Day, you know, just different things for different seasons and different holidays. And so for this video, we made it Christmas. We did a little mini Christmas wreath. We did the little aged letters, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You will need a few different things, nothing too pricey, nothing's really that expensive, and it's pretty easy to do on your own. You can make the wreath. I did show how I made this one, or you can just buy a small one yourself and use that instead of the elf. So let's get right into the video and get started. For this project, you will need 3 wooden letters. You're going to need H, M, and E. You can buy these at any Walmart or local craft store. Walmart has them the cheapest, obviously, about $1.50, and they're unpainted. But my Walmart was sold out, so I did go to my local craft store and found these already painted white ones. Unfortunately, buying ones that are already painted does mean it costs more, so I spent about $5 for each one of these, making these a total of $15. You're also going to need brown paint. You can use any kind of brown paint. I am using the Master's Touch Fine Art Studio acrylic in the shade Burnt Umber. You're going to need a paintbrush, preferably a natural fibers brush. So this is just a Dollar Brownie in number 10. Just any brush really would work as long as it's got stiff bristles. And then you're going to need something to place the paint on, so I have this wooden palette. You don't need to go out and buy one if you don't already have one. You can just use a paper plate. All of this can be found for cheaper options. This is just what I already have on hand. I have some Christmas themed garland. This was $14, except it was 50% off at Michael's, which is my local craft store. I know they're not everywhere, but if you have one, they always have great sales going on, and yeah. This is just some garland with beads and little mini pine cones. Got some floral tape. This, you can buy this at Dollar Tree for $1. It does not come covered in glitter. This was just in my crafts bag. I was working on a bunch of different projects and then I threw it all in a bag and my glitter exploded, so I want to clean that off. This garland is great for any kind of wreath. You can use it to do a spring wreath, a Christmas wreath. So this is going to be the main base because it's got wire and I can't find my floral wire. So you're just going to want some plain greenery, and this is just a great green garland. I got this at Walmart and it was about $5, I believe. You're also going to need a hot glue gun. This is the AdTech High Temp Mini Gun. So it's only $5 at Walmart. Great deal. Works just like a full-size one. And then you'll need glue sticks. I like to use the Gorilla Glue sticks because, I mean, Gorilla Glue is just known for being a lot stronger. So you can use whatever kind of glue sticks you prefer, but this is the brand I buy, and again, from Walmart. You will also need some wire cutters. These are pliers, but they have a wire cutter in the center here. To hang these on the wall, I'm just going to be using some command strips, and for the wreath, a command hook. You're going to take just a little bit on the tips of your brush and just kind of swipe it back and forth. Really focus on the edges. For this, you're going to want to use a light hand, and then in certain spots just go with more pressure, and it'll give it more of an aged look. Make it look a little bit more natural. And as you can see, I am dipping just the ends of my brush in the paint and then dabbing off the excess. Since we didn't use much paint, it is going to dry pretty quickly, but just set it off to the side to dry. And I'm going to repeat on the next two letters. Don't worry about making them perfect or identical. The less perfect it is, the more authentic it will look. And this is the final product of the letters. Next, we're going to move on to the O. And we're going to use the letter H to determine how big our wreath should be, because I want it to be about the same size as the letters, so it fits right in. So now we know the size. I'm going to twist this end around here, so we know where it goes. And this is where your floral tape comes in. Just take a small piece. So now that we have the size, go ahead and give it about the right shape. And then we're just going to layer this garland. And if you kind of twist them together, they'll stay a little better. Once you get it to a decent thickness, just take your wire cutters, take that end and finish twisting it. Now we're going to take our Christmas garland, and now you're going to wrap it around your wreath. Now taking your wire cutters again, you're just going to come in and clip off the excess. Take your glue gun and glue each one down so that it doesn't move around. So just take a little piece of our greenery garland, twist it around, and let the ends stick out a little bit. And we'll do that in different parts of the video. Next up, I'm going to use pieces from this holiday floral pick. I got this at Walmart for 97 cents, and it's like, what do they call it, like flocked? I don't know. It makes it look like there's like snow and ice on it, but there's also glitter. And I mean, would this channel be this channel if we didn't use some kind of glitter? So you can just pull these right off, and then you've got a lovely little sized piece. Here is the finished wreath. Now we just need to put it all together. To hang these letters, I am using Command damage-free hanging strips. They're just Velcro strips. So you press them together. There's stickers on the back. You'll pull one off. So you'll pull one of these stickers off. Line it up on your letter and press it into place. Now to hang it on the wall, you'll peel the other sticker off and line it up on the wall where you want it and press it, and it'll stick to the wall. Now to hang the wreath, I'm actually going to use these removable hinged hook things. They're like command strips, or the Command brand has some, but this is like a different brand, and they work the same way. You pull the sticker off the back, so as you can see it's just stuck like this. You'll just pull this off and then press it onto the wall. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. So go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have some ideas of what you would like to see me create for that for the next season, or if you have any other ideas for Christmas videos you would like to see. We will be doing that Drunken Gingerbread Challenge again, except this time we have a Christmas sleigh, Santa and his reindeer. It looks a little bit more challenging because you gotta draw like faces and stuff, so it should be a lot of fun. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to see that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.